The possibility of DJI entering the mirrorless camera market has sparked widespread discussion across both photography and technology circles, largely because it represents a natural yet ambitious evolution for the company. DJI has spent more than a decade dominating the drone and stabilization industries, reshaping how aerial cinematography and handheld motion capture are approached. From cinema-grade drones used in Hollywood productions to compact gimbal cameras favored by vloggers, DJI has consistently proven its ability to merge cutting-edge hardware with intelligent software. Despite this deep experience in imaging, one major category has remained untouched by DJI: the professional interchangeable-lens mirrorless camera. That may soon change. According to growing industry rumors, DJI is preparing to unveil its first mirrorless camera at CES 2026, a move that could significantly disrupt a market long controlled by Sony, Canon, and Nikon. What makes this rumored DJI mirrorless camera particularly compelling is the context behind it. Unlike traditional camera manufacturers that evolved from film-era photography into digital imaging, DJI's foundation is rooted in motion, stabilization, and computational intelligence. Its expertise lies not just in sensors and lenses, but in how images move through space. This background gives DJI a fundamentally different perspective on camera design. Rather than building a mirrorless camera that simply matches existing competitors feature for feature, DJI appears poised to rethink what a modern hybrid camera can be when video, stabilization, AI tracking, and ecosystem integration are treated as core priorities rather than secondary additions. A key factor shaping expectations around DJI's mirrorless ambitions is its long-standing collaboration with Hasselblad. Through this partnership, DJI gained access to decades of experience in color science, tonal rendering, and photographic heritage. Hasselblad cameras are known for their natural color reproduction, smooth highlight roll-off, and distinctive image character, qualities that many photographers consider just as important as technical specifications. Rumors suggest that this influence will carry over into DJI's mirrorless system, potentially blending Hasselblad-inspired color profiles with DJI's advanced processing pipelines. If successful, this combination could deliver images that are both technically robust and aesthetically refined, appealing to professionals who value consistency and visual identity in their work. From a design standpoint, early leaks suggest that DJI's first mirrorless camera will adopt a compact yet professional body, balancing modern aesthetics with practical ergonomics. Rather than mimicking the bulky silhouettes of traditional DSLRs, DJI is expected to lean into a streamlined mirrorless form factor optimized for hybrid use. The grip is rumored to be comfortable enough for extended handheld shooting, while the overall body remains portable for travel, documentary, and gimbal-mounted workflows. DJI's track record with well-balanced drones and handheld cameras suggests that weight distribution and usability will be carefully considered, particularly for creators who work long hours in dynamic environments. One of the most significant rumored decisions surrounding DJI's mirrorless camera is its potential adoption of the L-mount system. As a member of the L-mount alliance, DJI would instantly gain access to a mature and diverse lens ecosystem shared by Leica, Sigma, and Panasonic. This is a crucial strategic move, as lens availability is often the biggest obstacle for new camera systems. By choosing L-mount, DJI avoids the need to build an entire lens lineup from scratch and instead offers users immediate flexibility across a wide range of focal lengths, price points, and optical characteristics. For professionals considering a switch or addition to their gear, this openness could make DJI's mirrorless camera far more appealing than a closed, proprietary system. Build quality is another area where expectations are high. DJI's existing products are designed to withstand challenging conditions, from windy mountain peaks to dusty deserts. It would be surprising if the company did not carry this philosophy into its mirrorless camera. Leaks point toward a magnesium alloy chassis, which would provide durability without excessive weight, along with weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture. Such construction would position the camera as a serious professional tool suitable for outdoor photography, travel filmmaking, and unpredictable shooting conditions where reliability matters just as much as image quality. At the center of the rumored DJI mirrorless camera is its sensor, which is expected to play a defining role in how the camera is perceived. Early reports suggest DJI may opt for a full-frame sensor with a resolution around 45 megapixels. This would place the camera firmly in competition with high-resolution hybrid models like the Sony A7R series and Canon EOS R5. A sensor of this class would provide ample detail for landscape, commercial, and studio photography, while still offering flexibility for cropping and reframing. More importantly, it would signal DJI's intention to compete at the highest level of the mirrorless market rather than entering as a mid-range alternative. Beyond resolution, sensor performance in terms of dynamic range and low light capability is expected to be a major focus. DJI's experience with aerial cameras has required optimizing sensors for challenging lighting conditions, including high-contrast scenes and low-light environments. If this expertise translates effectively into a mirrorless sensor, users could expect strong highlight retention, deep shadow detail, and clean high ISO performance. Combined with Hasselblad-influenced color science, this could result in files that are both flexible in post-production and visually pleasing straight out of the camera. Autofocus is another area where DJI may bring something genuinely new to the mirrorless space. While the company has no prior history of producing traditional stills cameras, its drones are widely regarded as leaders in intelligent tracking. DJI's subject recognition, facial tracking, and predictive motion algorithms are already among the most advanced in the industry. These systems are designed to follow fast-moving subjects across three-dimensional space, often in real time and under constantly changing conditions. Rumors suggest that DJI plans to adapt this technology for its mirrorless camera, resulting in an AI-driven autofocus system capable of tracking humans, animals, vehicles, and complex motion patterns with remarkable precision. If these autofocus capabilities materialize, they could rival or even surpass existing systems from established camera brands. Advanced eye detection, reliable continuous autofocus during video, and strong performance in low light would make the camera appealing to both photographers and filmmakers. For creators who are already accustomed to trusting DJI's tracking technology in drones, this level of autofocus intelligence in a handheld camera could feel like a natural extension of an ecosystem they already rely on. Video performance is widely expected to be the area where DJI's mirrorless camera truly stands out. DJI's dominance in drone cinematography and stabilization means the company brings years of real-world filmmaking experience to the table. Reports suggest the camera could offer high frame rate video options, such as 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, enabling smooth slow-motion footage. Professional codecs, including 10-bit internal recording and possibly ProRes or RAW formats, are also rumored, which would provide the flexibility required for serious color grading and post-production workflows. What sets DJI apart in video is not just resolution or frame rates, but how smoothly and reliably footage can be captured. DJI has spent years refining ways to minimize rolling shutter, maintain consistent exposure, and stabilize footage in motion-heavy scenarios. If this knowledge is effectively integrated into the mirrorless camera, filmmakers could gain a powerful production tool that bridges the gap between traditional stills cameras and dedicated cinema systems. For wedding filmmakers, documentary shooters, YouTubers, and travel creators, this could mean carrying one camera that handles both photography and cinematic video with minimal compromise. As CES 2026 approaches, anticipation will only continue to build. Whether DJI's first mirrorless camera lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but the ambition behind it is unmistakable. Drawing on years of innovation in drones, gimbals, and imaging technology, DJI appears ready to make a serious statement in professional photography and filmmaking. If successful, this launch could redefine expectations for hybrid cameras and establish DJI as a true competitor in a market long dominated by familiar names.